Welcome back to On the Row. Today I'll be doing, is Monday, and I'll be doing some New Orleans white beans. I have the Camellia Great Northern white beans, and of course I have the Patton's hot sausage to put in it because you definitely need that. Bay leaves. I have some Zatarain's seasoning, dried bell peppers, parsley, salt, pepper, smoked ham, onion, smoked sausage, and smoked turkey necks. As you can see, the pot of water that I have on the stove right now is almost full. It has the seasoning already in it, the onion, the parsley, salt, pepper, bell peppers, and I'll be adding 2 bay leaves to this size pot. And right now I'm gonna wash and sort the white beans. So basically you pour the bag of white beans into a strainer and you sort out any broken pieces. You know, if you see anything that doesn't look like a bean, or you know, even like a rock or something like that, I usually take out the pieces that's already broken and then rinse them off. The white beans are clean. Well, they're rinsed off. I've added it to my pot along with the 2 bay leaves. So everything's in there, and we'll be back in about an hour to see how much the white beans have softened up. And once it's softened up, we can go to the next step, which would be adding a little bit more seasoning and some oil. The next step will be adding the meat. So this is maybe about a 4 or 5 hour process depending on how you're cooking it. So we'll be back once the next step is ready. Alright, so it hasn't been an hour yet. It's only been maybe 30 minutes, but I'm checking on the beans to make sure the water isn't too low, and making sure it's not boiling over, and also making sure that the beans aren't sticking to the bottom of the pot. Everything looks good, so we'll be back in 30 more minutes to add the oil to it, a little bit more seasoning, and to cut the heat down and let it simmer until it's time to put the meat in. Now that we have all the meat thoroughly cleaned and cut up, we've stirred it into the beans, and we're gonna let it simmer for about an hour, hour and a half, until the beans get very soft. And then the last thing we're gonna do is add the hot sausage. The hot sausage will cook for a while, and then we'll be done. So that right there is the hot sausage. I just rolled it up into balls, small pieces, and we'll let this cook for about 30 minutes, and then the food along with the rice. I have the rice in the rice cooker, so both of them should be done at the same time.